Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we are going to make the John Collins. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Bourbon, I have here, bullet, club soda, simple syrup, lemon, and a cherry. 5 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a highball glass, a juice squeezer, a knife, a bar spoon, and a jigger. First step, we're going to roll our lemon. Cut the lemon in half. Grab your juice squeezer. Set the lemon like this. We will be squeezing half a lemon into the shaker. Pour half an ounce of simple syrup into the shaker. It's alcohol time. Grab your bourbon. Pour 1.5 ounces of bourbon into the shaker. Add ice. Close the lid and shake your drink. Add ice into your glass. Pour your drink. Add 2 ounces of club soda into the drink. I'm going to measure it actually with a jigger. Stir the drink. And the last step is to garnish with the cherry. And there you go, my friends, the John Collins. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.